what you want, what you want. This is NitroBex, and today I have a juice review for you on Bermuda Rain from Mr. E-Liquid. This one was sent to me as a free tester with an order I had placed with them. The nick and the ratio is a little different. It's only 12 milligram instead of 18, and it's only 33% VG instead of my normal like 75. Now, I looked on their website. I can't find this flavor, so may not be out yet, but their standard pricing is $6.75 for 6 milliliter, 63 cents per milliliter. $15 for a 36 milliliter. That brings the price point down to 42 cents per milliliter. The vape. Now, the first thing I notice about this, if you've ever been to the beach and got like that bad, cheap, generic suntan lotion, this tastes like that smells. It's not necessarily a bad thing though. The predominant flavors in it is coconut, pineapple. It's got something else in there. I can't quite place it. Now, the feeling it gives you. I can't vape this without thinking I'm at the beach. It was only a little sample bottle, so I didn't have enough to run it through a Vivinova, unfortunately. But I have ran several Cardos on it. It's a little light for me, but the experience is one. The experience of making me think I'm at the beach in the middle of January. There's something to be said about that. Overall, I give this one a B.